Starting off the vlog early, man. For Klean exhibition. Got my boy Brian. And saying, what we doing today, bro?
Got Klean exhibition today, bro.
That's a fact. Yeah, we sitting here, we chilling, man, gassing up before we hit the road. We got the fake Wawa, you know what I'm saying? Nah, you can't tell me this don't look like a fake Wawa, bro.
Bro, I tell you what, if they put a Wawa here, bro,
That's a fact.
I would live in that shit, bro.
Yeah. But nah, it's currently like 3:30, 3:40 right now, and it's cold. After we gas up, we're gonna make our way to Greenville. I'm probably gonna pick up the vlog when we get back over there. Yeah, met up with the boys. Little meetup spot before we head out. About to be on the way soon. Just got the boys gassing up. Yeah, we made it to the show, boys. Right now, boys, we rolling in to the show, get parked up and everything. Yeah, right now we waiting to get parked up. Yes, sir, we are here, boys. Sheesh. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Jordan getting parked up. Hey, Brian, you want to guide him so he can like straighten it up? Got all the boys parked up. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but the wrap on this Mustang, this thing is pretty clean, bro. It's like a satin, like, I don't know what type of color, but it's like a satin color. I think it's pretty nice. Oh my God. Oh my God, and this right-hand drive. This right-hand drive.
I just want to say for the vlog,
What you gotta say, bro?
that meat, like, very big. I can't say because you got the monitor. Can't say it.
Yo.
But drivers will know what I'm trying to say.
Uh-huh.
Just,
I
let's just
bet.
say he likes to, like,
Wow. Okay. This is clean. I always had love for the two-tone. I follow this guy on Instagram. You know, I'm not really good with Instagram memes and stuff. But I remember the first time I seen this dude car, he didn't have all this carbon fiber, but this thing is sick. Not gonna lie. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. More JDM, man. The 180s. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I love those JDM mirrors, man. I love these. That's fucking nice, bro. That's nice. Man. For a second, I thought this was the full carbon GTR that 1320 and that racing channel had on their page on Instagram. If you know, you know, man. But nonetheless, though, it's clean. Can't never go wrong with a 300Z. It's Audi. Love the trunk setup. that I seen pull in that is super crazy. These trucks is nice though. But look at this. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't think y'all know how nice this is in person, bro. Got the wells on there. Man, oh man. Got the parachute on the back. Damn. Yes, sir. Got to get y'all the Fast Boys. The 2 Supras, BMW. Jeez. This is clean. Just roll the forms. Yes, sir. Got a Mazda. I don't know what model this is, but this is clean. Dilated crew. CRV? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is clean, bro. It's a 33 bucks. Nobody is not telling me this isn't the best model that Subaru ever came out with, bro. You can't possibly tell me this is not the best looking model ever. You can't argue with me, bro. You can't argue with me. It's the best model they ever came out with. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the color on this is nice. Not gonna lie. On the camera it looks blue, but it's really like I don't know. It's like a greenish color. Got another CRV, the same color as that one over there. Y'all can see it in the background, but yeah, man. I likes the CRVs too. This is clean. Got a 350Z. Man, every time I see these wheels, or I see wheels like this, I always call them Blitz, bro. But I don't know what wheels are on there. But for now, I'm gonna call them Blitz. I'm gonna call them Blitz. Got some water cool wheels right there on the 350. wide body Honda. Wide body RSX. Oh my God. Got a wrapped 890. He's starting to grow on me too. S14. Oh my God. And this is clean too, bro. Like, oh my God. Hold on. Y'all see the paint, bro? Hold on. We switching colors on them? Nah, not like that. Not like that, bro. It's black. And now we turn to green, bro. Nah, that's fire. That is fire. The pearlescent on this car is fire, bro. Man, oh man.
They look so fire when they're clean, that like black and yeah.
One of the other 890s that pulled in. Clean. Let me show y'all the custom exhaust. That boy, see that, man? That's clean, man. It's clean, man. Stain the flake.